Hello, math buddies! Welcome back to a new lesson on multiplication with the tables of 9, right here in this colorful aquarium.
I can see that many kinds of fish like to swim together in groups.
That's right! Commonly, a group of fish is called a shoal or school of fish. However, different species of sea animals have different names for their groups, like a shiver of shark, a squad of squids, a bed of oysters, a party of angelfish, and many more unique names.
Professor, what is a group of robots called?
Maybe our clever friends can help to invent a name for that? For now, let's begin with today's lesson on multiplying with tables of 9. Let me show you a fun way of counting the 9 tables using your fingers. 1 multiplied by 9 is 9. 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. 3 multiplied by 9 is 27. 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. 5 multiplied by 9 is 45. 6 multiplied by 9 is 54. 7 multiplied by 9 is 63. 8 multiplied by 9 is 72. 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. 10 multiplied by 9 is 90. Take a look at this number pattern that shows skip counting by 9. Let's solve this problem. 5 schools of fish swim by. Each school had 9 fish. How many fish swam by altogether? Remember, friends, when we multiply two numbers, the answer is called the product. So, to find the product, we multiply 5 by 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. 5 groups of 9, or 5 multiplied by 9, equals 45. The reverse, 9 multiplied by 5, is also 45. 45 fish swam by all together. Here's another one. There are 9 corals in a fish tank. How many corals will there be in 7 tanks? There are 7 fish tanks and 9 corals in each tank. Thus, to find the product, we multiply 9 by 7. So, in 7 tanks, there will be 9 multiplied by 7 equals to 63 corals altogether. Let's do one more. In another section of the aquarium, there are 9 big tanks with 9 sea turtles in each tank. How many sea turtles are there altogether? To find the product, here's what we do. 9 tanks and 9 sea turtles. 9 multiplied by 9 equals to 81. There are 81 sea turtles altogether.
I hope you enjoyed multiplying with 9 as much as we did. Hey, look, I just saw a smack of jellyfish.
Iggy remembers what a group of jellyfish are called. Do you remember the multiplication tables of 9? Let's take a look. Now that you've had a good look, test out your skills with this fun quiz.